Hello, this is Mary's from ZY factory. Today I will introduce the 406 model to you. You can see this model has the teapot. The teapot cover is the stainless steel 201 and it has the water printer handle. And the inside has the filter. You can choose the 201 stainless steel or 304 material. And then you can see this is the bigger kettle and the liter is the 1.8 liter. And the inside is the stainless steel. It has the 201 or 304 material. And the handle has the water, also has the water printer handle.